So you are not satisfied with your current sources of income, and that is totally understandable. Hardly anyone is satisfied with what they're currently making. It always appears as if we make just enough to cover the basic needs, and that is not exactly how we want to live. But that is why I'm here, because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you a very simple 3-step process to actually increasing your sources of income in a relatively short period of time. So if you want to learn exactly how you can do that for yourself, then make sure you watch this entire video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really do appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and I'm super excited you decided to take some time to watch this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I highly suggest you get subscribed, because I'm always putting out great quality content to teach you how to actually build your own business on the internet. Okay, with that said, let me show you exactly how you can increase your sources of income by following a very simple 3-step process. Okay guys, so most people still overcomplicate how to go about using the internet to actually generate money, to make money using the internet. There is still some negative connotations associated with making money online, and I'm trying not to use that making money online tagline in any of the type of content I put out, just because of that negative connotation. But it is not impossible to actually use the internet to actually make money. Once you understand that this internet is just a tool that allows people to connect in ways that they would have not been able to connect before, then you can understand exactly how to go about using this tool to actually make money. All right, so connection is what we need, right? We need people in order to be able to generate money. Think of any business you can think of. Without people, those businesses would not have been able to make money. So that is what the internet does for us. It allows us to connect with more people in more countries easily, 24 hours per day. So I do want you to fully understand that, and that will put you in the frame of mind of how to actually go about using this internet to actually make money. So the first step is to actually make sure that you learn an in-demand, high-paying skill. It's very important, because this is the skill that you are going to be using to actually get people to pay you money. And there are so many different skills that you can learn, that you can monetize digitally, that you can monetize over the internet without having to actually see that person or business entity in person. All right, so there are so many skills, but I have 6 of these skills listed here, and I've highlighted different skills in different videos as well. So if you want to learn some more skills that you can actually go ahead and develop, that you can use to make money on the internet, then make sure you go back and watch some of those videos. But you could do blogging, you could do writing, you could do editing. All of those fall under one thing. So if you know how to write, you could start a blog. And chances are, if you're a good writer, you also know how to edit. So you could actually develop that skill and actually use that to make a full-time income online. A lot of money can be made online just by writing. All right, so think about your ability to write and your ability to connect with people looking for writers in Australia or in South Africa or in Brazil or in the United States. It doesn't matter. Your ability to write can actually benefit you and bring you a lot of money. And you can actually build a big business from your writing ability. You could hire other people, train them as well, and build a writing company. Video production. So video is very big right now. Video is on Facebook, video is on Instagram, video is everywhere, and every business is trying to create video content to help their business get visibility. So it's very important and a very good skill to develop as well. And these videographers are actually making really good money creating creative videos for these companies. Social media management, once again, not very difficult to learn. And any of these skills can be learned in a relatively short space of time. Let's say, for example, you worked a 9 to 5. You could dedicate 3 to 5 hours per day in learning one of these skills, and within a year or 6 months you could actually have enough knowledge to actually start monetizing that skill, even less depending on how fast you learn and how dedicated you are to learning these skills. Digital marketing, that's a very big category. There are so many different things in digital marketing that you could learn and monetize and make a full-time income online as well. You could do email marketing, you could do lead generation, you could do Facebook advertising, you could do Google advertising. These are just some sub niches in digital marketing that you could learn in a very short period of time and actually start marketing yourself and monetizing that. Mobile app development, web design development, there are just so many different skills. But the main takeaway from this first slide is that you need to learn an in-demand, high-paying skill. And there are so many to choose from. You just need to pick one and dedicate some time and focus on that. The next step is to actually market yourself through content. I've spoken about this so many times before. There is no other way other than actually advertising, doing paid advertising to get your name and your brand in front of the right people. But most people don't have money to spend on advertising because advertising is very expensive if you're trying to do it in the right way and if you want to reach as many people as you possibly can reach. That gets very expensive, but you can actually create content for free and market yourself for free. So let's say, for example, once again, you have developed your skills in digital marketing, in email marketing. You could actually create content on YouTube, a lot of content demonstrating your knowledge of email marketing and lead capturing, and actually monetize that and make a full-time income just by creating content, free content on YouTube. So you want to make sure that you're creating a very strong personal brand, that you create content to show people what you know. So that's essentially what you need to do. If you're into writing, you want to create written content. So you may want to check out medium.com or you may want to start your own blog. But do remember that you have to market yourself, right? So market yourself through content. You have to be creating content if you want to get noticed for your expertise in any of these skills. All right, so you want to make sure that you build real relationships with people. So you want to communicate with people, respond to people on your comments, get them to join your email list, get them to join your private group, have one-on-one sessions with these people. Make sure that you scope out your potential clients and you actually build real relationships with these people. Network with people and businesses as well. Very important. Join other groups, join different forums, right? Market yourself, and this will definitely help you. You want to make sure that you're using, as I said before, platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter to get your content, to get your message in front of as many people in your target audience as you possibly can. So you want to make sure that you connect with people on a global scale, and one of the easiest free ways to do that is through content. So take away from this slide, make sure you market yourself through content, and I go in through this in detail in my personal branding course. You can build a strong personal brand on YouTube and make a lot of money from that as well. So I have a course, link is in the description, so make sure you go ahead and check that out if you want to learn exactly how to build a strong personal brand. And the final step in this process is to sell. Learn how to sell. So you want to make sure that you can sell to make money. Without sales, you will not be able to make any money, and you want to do this so you can make money, right? That's essentially what this is about, creating an additional source of income. So you have to learn how to sell, and there are so many different things you can sell once you've done step 1 and step 2 correctly. So once you have that skill and you have been marketing yourself, then you can actually sell a product. You could sell your service. You could sell a book, you could sell affiliate products, you could sell your own products on e-commerce such as Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, wherever. So make sure you learn how to sell and figure out exactly what you can sell and want to sell based on your skill set. You could sell a coaching program, you could sell courses, you could basically sell anything, but you have to get step 1 and step 2 right before you can actually start selling to start making money. So I'm going to say to you that you need to give yourself some time, maybe about 6 months to a year, to actually start seeing some results, right? You'll need to actually spend some time developing your skills. That can take 3, 6, 9 months or 12 months depending on what you're trying to build your skill set around. Marketing is something that you can actually start doing immediately as you start learning. So you are documenting your journey, and that's a part of the marketing process. And once you actually fully develop your skill to a point where you can actually start charging for that skill, then you can actually create something to sell. And that is the very simple 3-step process, actually using the internet to make money online. So it's not overly complicated, and there is not some hidden secrets that we are not telling you. So this is something I've stated before, so you just want to make sure you follow this very simple 3-step process. There is no other process that works better than this 3-step process. So there you have it. I really do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, share it with someone you know, leave me a comment if you have any question, and finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested in learning how to build your personal brand, check the first link in this video. That's going to take you to my personal branding course for YouTube. Thank you once again, and I will see you in my next video.